Affiliate marketing is the key. What if I told you there's a way to make money online, even while you sleep? No, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about the power of affiliate marketing. It's a proven business model where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 crucial steps to affiliate marketing success. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of affiliate marketing and start generating passive income, grab your notepad and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the cornerstone of a successful affiliate marketing journey: choosing your niche. Now, you might be thinking, Senso, I just want to make money. Why does it matter what I promote? Trust me, it matters a lot. Choosing the right niche is like laying the foundation for a skyscraper. You can't just start building without a solid base, right? Similarly, your niche is the base of your affiliate marketing business. It determines the products you promote, the audience you target, and ultimately, your chances of success. The first step is to identify your passions and interests. What gets you excited? What could you talk about for hours on end? This is important because you'll be creating content and engaging with your audience around this niche. If you're not passionate about it, it's going to show, and your audience will pick up on that lack of authenticity. But passion alone isn't enough. You also need to make sure there's a market demand for your chosen niche. Are people actively searching for information and products related to your niche? A quick Google search or a look at keyword research tools can give you a good indication. By choosing a niche that aligns with your passions and has a hungry market, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Don't be afraid to niche down and get specific. Instead of targeting a broad niche like weight loss, consider narrowing it down to weight loss for busy moms or vegan weight loss recipes. The more specific you are, the less competition you'll face and the easier it will be to target your ideal audience. Once you've identified a few potential niches, take some time to research them thoroughly. Choosing your niche is a critical first step, so take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find the perfect fit. All right, you've chosen your niche. You're fired up and ready to go. Now it's time to build your online presence. Think of this as setting up shop in the digital world. You need a place where people can find you, learn about you, and ultimately, buy from you. Your website is your online headquarters. It's where you showcase your brand, your expertise, and most importantly, your affiliate products. Don't worry, building a website isn't as daunting as it sounds. There are plenty of user-friendly platforms like WordPress that make it super easy, even if you're not a tech whiz. Now, when it comes to your website, content is king. You need to create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that provides value to your audience. Think blog posts, articles, reviews, tutorials, anything that will capture their attention and establish you as an authority in your niche. But your online presence extends beyond your website. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube are powerful tools for reaching your target audience and driving traffic to your affiliate offers. Choose platforms where your target audience hangs out. If you're in the visual niche like fashion or travel, Instagram might be your go-to. If you're in a more information-heavy niche like finance or technology, maybe LinkedIn or Twitter would be a better fit. The key is to create valuable content that resonates with your audience and encourages them to click through to your affiliate links, engage with your followers, respond to comments, and participate in relevant conversations. By establishing a professional website and cultivating an active social media presence, you'll create multiple avenues to reach your target audience, build credibility, and ultimately drive those all-important conversions. Chapter 3. Content is king. Creating content that converts. Now, let's dive into the heart of your online presence. Content. I can't stress this enough. Content is king, queen, and the entire royal family in the world of affiliate marketing. Why? Because great content is what attracts your audience, keeps them engaged, and ultimately persuades them to take action. Think about it. When you're looking for information online, what do you gravitate towards? Boring, generic content that leaves you feeling cold, or engaging, informative content that speaks directly to your needs and interests? I'm guessing it's the latter. Your content should be valuable, informative, and relevant to your target audience. What are their pain points? What questions are they asking? What kind of information are they searching for? Once you understand their needs, you can create content that directly addresses them. Don't be afraid to get creative with your content formats. Blog posts are a great foundation, but mix things up with videos, infographics, podcasts, quizzes, ebooks, anything that will capture your audience's attention and keep them coming back for more. A key element of creating content that converts is incorporating a strong call to action. Don't leave your audience guessing what to do next. Tell them. Whether it's clicking on your affiliate link, signing up for your email list, or leaving a comment, make it crystal clear what action you want them to take. And remember, consistency is key. Building a loyal audience takes time and consistent effort. By consistently delivering exceptional content, you'll establish yourself as an authority in your niche, attract a loyal following, and ultimately drive more conversions. Chapter 4. Driving traffic with SEO getting found online. You've got your niche, your website, your social media game is strong, and you're churning out awesome content. But here's the thing, none of it matters if people can't find you online. That's where the magic of SEO or search engine optimization comes in. Think of SEO as the map that guides your audience to your online doorstep. It's all about optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages like Google. When someone searches for information related to your niche, you want your website to be one of the first things they see. So, how do you crack the SEO code? It starts with keywords. Keywords are the terms and phrases people use when searching online. For example, if you're in the travel niche, your keywords might be best budget travel destinations or tips for solo female travelers. Once you've identified your target keywords, it's time to sprinkle them strategically throughout your website content. This includes your website copy, blog posts, page titles, image alt tags, basically anywhere you can fit them naturally. But SEO is more than just keywords. It's also about building high-quality backlinks to your website. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. When a reputable website links to your content, it signals to search engines that your website is trustworthy and valuable. By understanding how search engines work and optimizing your website and content accordingly, you'll increase your visibility, attract more qualified leads, and ultimately boost your affiliate earnings. Chapter 5. Analyzing and optimizing the power of data. We've covered a lot of ground, from choosing your niche to creating killer content and mastering the art of SEO. But the journey doesn't end there. In fact, it's just the beginning. The final step to affiliate marketing mastery is all about analyzing your performance and making data-driven decisions to optimize your results. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just launch a rocket into space without monitoring its trajectory and making adjustments along the way, right? The same principle applies to your affiliate marketing efforts. You need to track your progress, analyze your data, and make necessary tweaks to ensure you're on the right track. Luckily, there are a ton of tools available to help you track your affiliate marketing performance. Google Analytics is a great place to start. It provides a wealth of data about your website traffic, including where your visitors are coming from, what pages they're visiting, and how long they're staying on your site. But it's not just about vanity metrics like page views. You also need to track your conversion rates. How many people are clicking on your affiliate links? How many of those clicks are converting into sales? By monitoring these key metrics, you can identify what's working, what's not, and make data-driven decisions to improve your results. The beauty of digital marketing is that you can track everything and make adjustments in real time. By embracing data and using it to inform your decisions, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your affiliate earnings and building a thriving online business. Your affiliate marketing journey starts now. These are the 5 essential steps to affiliate marketing success. We talked about finding your niche, building your online presence, creating killer content, mastering SEO, and using data to optimize your performance. These steps are your roadmap to building a thriving online business and achieving your financial goals. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Don't wait for the perfect moment or let fear hold you back. Start small, take consistent action, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more actionable tips and strategies on affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching.